In custom manufacturing, complexity is the enemy of speed. For manufacturers who rely on manual workflows, spreadsheet-based operations and the guessing game, custom manufacturing becomes cumbersome, time-consuming, and cost-intensive. Meet OmegaCube ERP's product configurator, built specifically for made-to-order, engineer-to-order, and configure-to-order manufacturing. With the product configurator tool, you can configure and manage complex, built-to-order products in real time. Its rule-based engine allows you to set up configurator rules, UI changes, user inputs, dependencies and ranges. As you configure, OmegaCube instantly generates accurate quotes, sales orders, detailed BOMs, BOM calculations, item numbers and production routings. With advanced mobility features, you can configure your custom product from anywhere. Eliminate costly errors, reduce quoting time, and ensure what is sold is actually built, while maintaining pricing control and consistency across sales, engineering and manufacturing. Accelerate your sales cycle from days to minutes. Contact us for an in-depth demo.